everyone, it's Angela Bliss with Angie's Art Asylum. Hope you guys are doing well today. I glued these 3 little cups together and we're going to try angel wings or I don't know what they call it, but it's been a while since I've seen anyone do it, so we're going to attempt it. So I've got Artist Loft White mixed with some floetrol here. We're going to put it on a canvas. And then we're going to pour these colors on it. See how it works. I'm going to tilt this canvas up a little bit too while we're pouring it, so it'll be fun. See what it turns into. If we don't get it right, we'll make something. It's all about experimenting, right? So we're going to try it. Hopefully my paint's not too thick. I mixed everything with floetrol today. 1 part paint, 2 parts floetrol. I didn't add any water. I'm putting this base down just so that when it rolls down the canvas and we start tilting it out a little bit, it'll help it move without ruining the composition that we get. I'm using Artist Loft Black, Liquitex Basics Lime Green, and the white. I'm going to put the black in the outer part, then I'll put the green in the middle cup, and then the little cup I'm going to put the white. So I'll do that right now. Just like that. I got a little white in with everything else, so hopefully we didn't ruin it. Let's see. All right. I'm gonna put this bigger cup, the edge of here, the edge of this, so that when we pour it, it will make its way down. And then we're just gonna pour it straight onto the canvas. If you guys are ready. Maybe it will work. I'm kind of excited. Just gonna let that move on down. Actually gonna pick it up a little bit. Maybe we have enough space in between them. Hopefully. Put some gloves on. Put my gloves on and we'll tilt it out a little bit and we'll see what we get. A few little speckles on there that I didn't want. Not exactly what I was planning for, but maybe I should have thinned my paint out a little more. Like I said, experimentation, right? Not quite what I was shooting for, but almost. Maybe my cups aren't big enough. Trying to think of what to do with it now. Let's maybe wreck it a little bit. Hey babe, can you grab me a marble? There should be a whole bowl of them up there on that shelf. Above that chair. On the bookshelf.
Oh, here?
Yeah. Can you get me a marble? No. Just lay them.
Put these right here. Put those back a little bit. Where do you want it?
Just lay it in the middle of that stuff.
Why don't you use the green one? Just put it in the middle somewhere?
Yeah.
There.
There we go. Thank you, babe. Always, when you're pouring paint, have your assistant standing by to help you.
That's right.
Because you will need help. Paint on my floor. So we're just going to make this whatever we want it now. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I lied, everyone. It's a marble pour. That's the beauty with this stuff. You can just do whatever you want. Here we go. I'd already tilted so much paint off that it just wants to run down the canvas. Marble for the win. Kind of looks pretty cool. Okay guys, we're going to call that done. I'm going to pop the air bubbles out of it and then show you guys the dried results soon. See you guys then.